Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Friday, October 10th, and this is my analysis for the Euro Yen, and we're on the daily time frame. So on the daily time frame, I still think we could be in a wave B, but I think that we're right in between two Fibonacci levels, and because of that, I am definitely still very bullish. Now, it doesn't mean on the sort of time frames we possibly couldn't get a little bit of a bigger pullback, but I think at this point it's going to go at least up to the 123 Fibonacci retracement of this move down because if it's like an irregular way B or some sort of a flat, then the 123 or the 138 is a really good target for a potential way B to end. So keeping all that in mind, we definitely do want to continue to be bullish on sort of time frame. So let's go down to the 1 hour time frame. Now, like I said, that doesn't mean that we might not possibly get a pretty deep pullback along the way. It just means that I don't think that it's going to break the low of the 100%. Obviously, there's a big gap down here, and it could possibly make a run for that gap. It could go all the way to the 78%, maybe even spike beyond it to fill that gap. I am definitely very, very cautious though, because I really don't like to actually trade, based on gaps. Because yes, most gaps do fill, pretty much all gaps do fill, but I've seen gaps be open for like a year before they fill sometimes. So we really can't know for sure that it's going to go down there and fill the gap. It could potentially just make another pullback and continue the higher time frame uptrend. So anyways, don't forget to check out my website linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.